Adopt Me has updated and added the rain weather cycle. It looks so cool and I can't wait to check it out. Time to actually go in on. Wait, what is that? Oh my god, is that a new feature? That is so cool. Oops, how am I supposed to go to the other side now? That was actually awesome that it functions. This weather or season cycle is actually better. BC, it's bigger and more interesting than the others. This parrot is so cute. Aw man, I don't have enough to buy any of these. Rushing to the next area, there's so many. Whoa, boats. Aw man, all of these cost 1,000 or more.
I'm a pirate,
Oh my god, the Excalibur. Wonder if King Arthur left it there. Aha, I think here is where the pets are. Captain Fluffy.
Hey ho! Great to meet ye in this fog. Welcome to our portable Rainforest. Grab some gear and go explore. This town is a real beauty, you know. She looked mighty from the shore. Listen here, you look in need of a new crew. Lucky ye. I travel with the best ocelots and parrots the pirating world has to offer. But wait, just a nautical minute. Are ye telling the real truth? OL Bonnie's anchored on this island? I gotta say ahoy to my pirate sister. Bye-bye now.
There's a bridge on top of us.
This parrot cannot be contained in an egg. I already hatched from one.
Talking parrot?
This parrot can't be contained in an egg.
Pirate parrot.
I already hatched from
Pirate parrot.
Pirate parrot. Pirate parrot.
Oh, ticket post? What is it for? Golden plantains are used to feed the parrots. 199 Robux each like the other cycles. Dang it, I don't have enough.
Ever get bored of the rain? I want to see the leaves fall instead.